Gary social media. C'est moi qui m'attends les lever. Gary social media. Qui m'attend les lever. Gary social media. Donc c'est nous ça où. Nous ajoyons. No bawa semeu, hey, sanene la me, you know the best is always the best. Good evening. I beg na me una picky wall of una know new generation prophet Atiti. The traditional man when he come for Ovia, the Ovia is Saturday, Wednesday. I don't know the way I forgot, but now Ovia na Ovia. Where Papa village is not far from Benin. 20 minutes drive, we don't reach our place. What did they call our place? Evileka. I can't see one video since I was born. I never see this kind of thing for Benin land before. I can't see the video. They say in one of our Benin parable say unagi ko egbuko. E matter no we unagi ko egbuko. It could be say one video where call the grade, where the customer they go bring CNN. Where we go say me they go bring CNN, all of them know the person when they talk. That woman way border picking where they call J boy. When I share the video, make the video go viral because I want give you this story. When I want give you so this story lad, it they pay. This story they lad. So tell Dumezedo he can't go report. As he go report to our place, he report. He pass it back in fence, and now he pass the header. They can't say that where they forgot them, they can't cause so as they can't cause. Me can't see the cost. Now I can't tell they say this thing is very bad. Some people can't they come out for outside where they say there's a big talk where they chop right for corner where they claim say they're good. Nothing they not rampage their matter talk. But wetin me come for this evening now, I know say I know they take. Make una share the video, make it viral. Make una press the notification bell. Make una press the like button. Make una press and I know they see the like button. If not today be your first day when I come to see me where the soon as so I dey sell abat root. That's why they pray for person. Now maybe new generation prophet Titi wey come from Ofia. If you ask, it shall be given. If you no ask, they do like this, he no go give you. So now so I can see the video where they trade to since I was born for my papa land. This kind of thing when it happen, so that they fair happen one election time, I hear from one boy where they for Benin all of one. He said they take gun shoot him. He said they take gun shoot him. All of one hear that one, but not that one I come for now. The one when I come for now, I'm gonna share this video. Make una let on the vera. Make una let on the vera. Make una let on the vera. They say they know they carry two rats. They drive once. Without passing one rat, the other rat where we want kill. So now be this one. I can't see one video when they trading now. They say we not give call, egbu call. Now so they for Benin parable. Waiting me and first see the other day when he first pass, they can't say they take gun shoot person. They say they take gun shoot person. Now I can't say, not be my time, new generation time. Where this kill they happen? Where our senior men come dey, I can't quiet too. Not be number 3 days ago. I can't see another one. Una say una don't cost people. Say they not come. Una can't go carry and go corner. Una can't go the beat am. The boy say leg is the pain now. The boy say where's the pain now. The boy say head is the pain now. But wetin concern me for inside. Not be una beat the boy concern me. Wetin never happen for Benin land before. Now, abomination. All of una wey get that beat that boy. We need una immediately. We need una more submit una report. We need una make una submit una report immediate effect. Because now abomination never happen for my papa land before. Oh, Wanohua, Agbinawo now. I never know the name. Who know the name? May come from my director, may tell me the name. Once I start to use the name, they single. I see one boy wear yellow shirt. I don't know a name. Who know a name? May come tell me. Pikin the quarrel. If you reach Papa go settle down. I can't see say they don't see Papa for face. They don't see Papa for face. They don't see any job of face. They can't beat somebody. The person when he beat her, he wear yellow shirt. Who know a name? Make you tell me. Oh, if you not fit tell me a name now, as I did for this live video. After you can't tell me. So I beg one drink water some more. One drink water. Make una share the video. Make it viral. Make una share and I know the share. Una the press the notification bell. I beg. I did beg sister mama we go see this video. Una know say that they laugh me. They say I don't take in 1 year subscribe. They say my subscribe not complete. They don't start to take and they laugh me. I beg if you there for them, you be presenter when he love me. Lolo, tell your passenger, please. Your passenger make they go subscribe. And the Murphy tell your passenger make they go subscribe. Bama B, tell your passenger make they go subscribe. Many and many of them like that. I want to mention a name. My mama, you take it, you see there for them. Mama Joy, make una tell them, oh, make them not take and laugh me and next time they go. They say 2 years now, don't take the subscribing not complete. And now I can't beg una now, make una help me, make una tell una, all of them, oh. You don't almost make you tell your people, make they go subscribe, oh. Now so I can't talk a reach. The video when I want, hey, I may, oh, I just go mention it, I know the mention it. I want to greet them, my papa, I can't greet them, my mama. God go bless una for money, go bless una for evening. Una see since yesterday before this. I did do short video now today. I can't give una long one. This one long one when I want give una. So I beg make una the president, the kitchen bet me the vara. Who they get him out for outside, they make it the get mad. Now the truth we need for our community. Oh, the community where they know the talk truth, the community know the better. So if you be man where they there, learn how to talk truth. If you woman there, learn how to talk truth. Not be the truth where you go to tell, you go to take and the chop people money. Oh, not be the truth where you go to talk, you go take and the deceive people. We don't need that kind of truth. The truth where you go to talk now for the betterness of the community. Not be the truth where you go talk. If money come, you not go talk again. We don't need that kind of truth to our community again. This one a new generation time. So I beg make una share the video, make it viral, make it rich man and woman hand. The video when I want play, so who never see and make it see am. Who does see am, make una write better comment, follow am. These videos shall be presented. These videos shall be presented. Wetin never happen before, it happen for Benin Ladi. It happen. They say wetin they call the boy wey wear yellow shirt. I don't know his name. Who know his name? Make come tell me. He said the big person for our Wanokwa. With that boy, we need them. We need them. Where they be the hospital go see him. One plan. Mo. One fan mo. How to see her now? Oh, I don't see the video. I been moved to President Kitchobet. When President Kitchobet. They say wetin person I know. Na person dey teach am. Wetin make me dey cry now say they beat person for there. Since I was born, I never see the kind thing. Wetin person no know, una go teach me. If since me never see this kind thing before, na make me cry come out. So they say one boy wey wear yellow shirt come dey fight person, come dey beat person. So I come here say they want take gun. They say they make they just drop am na. So I come here for inside that thing. Say make they drop am for our papa ass. Oh, Wanokwa wey we take the gun. Person come talk and say make they just drop am na. Oh, Iran na wa. Eba ma so part 1 phone, part 2 majina. A way last fighting, a way wa mi ogawo. So the one where we dey talk now, I be the video where one boy come talk and for inside the video. Say they for your drop am na, they for drop am o. They go our papa house, they say they make they go find peace. We no know say our papa house na peace, we dey carry for there peace. We no quarrel, no dey come out for there. As they go our papa house, make they go find peace. I come hear person for inside the video say they for your drop person. Oh, woman got me oja. I was asking woman got me oja, woman got me oja water. Oh, we papa got me oja water, got me oja water. Oh, we kopia no we amozang you we papa. Oga you say fa. Any man, woman, one of yours. Any man or woman we say one bridge shame come our papa house. He go die by motor accident. Crazy go enter body. Our papa has no go fit see shame. So tell that boy come talk and for inside that video say make the your drop am na. Now only that I take for inside o. And the boy wey come dey beat am na yellow shirt he wear. So now I say when I come cry to people now, the video don't let me play now. He don't let me play. Net not this year. I beg make una help me share the video, make it viral. Make una put the video, join am for anywhere una see this video. Make una put that boy picture, join am. Make una write wetin go follow am. Make una the writer follow am. Hey, one fan am again. One fan am. Oh. Ọmọ pé wo isi e iyan te fi agunme ban o iyan te fi agunme ban ma pé iyan te fi agunme ban o iyan te fi agunme ni amu eyo be yan na ni ya agi e ma o ma pé o ma pé you no play e richi yan we ati e don richi na ya agbe na we baba o ona we yan drop o ma o e don richi we yan agbo ma wo baba o we for your drop and now o e na we need so ma gbon o Well, I know my video ni no go make my magbon. Who get that video? May help me blame. May show the old people for the whole diaspora. May show the old people for the whole Nigeria. We never see this country before. Na question I ask whether this country they happen before. Na me call ask whether this country they happen before. Make una help me share this video. Make it viral. Make rich man and woman handle. They say make they want drop person for papa so the person where they want drop bail those people make they call answer the query. Oh, Mona share this video. Mona share them. You got to say make they drop am, make the young kill am for our papa house. Bonamiamie. Sorry. Even we telling me they drop am. Since I was born, Baba, my people, my country people, I never see this country before. They'll go to fight. Our papa house na peace. Now we dey see for our papa house. If quarrel too strong for man and woman for community, they cannot go my papa house. When my papa doctor put, everything go finish. But because see now, people go to fight for my papa house. Nothing what they not do. They carry sticky, they carry gunny, they carry cutlass, they want keep person. So they contact say me they drop the person. I come now. Question when me call us, I call us more question where they say what the person don't know. Now person they teach them. Me nobody yes, me since I was born, nobody say they beat person for our papa house. Now this first time I see him. Now make me cry, come out. If now what did they do before, me man and woman tell me. If not be what did they do before, me man and woman tell me. Now so I can't drop the video reach you, and not can cause man, and not can cause woman. But person when I see they beat person for my papa house, wear yellow shirt to, they call and don't reach you. Now I say when I can't cry to man and woman. Even they say they do crime. People do crime, but I never see this kind of thing since I was born. Say they go to fight for my papa, so make una find the combo, make una share this video, make it viral, make una press the notification bell, make una press the like your team, make una press the like your team, make una press the following, make una press the like your team following too. I beg if today na your first time, you subscribe, go Prophet Atiti. Una know say people don't they laugh me now. Say 1 year now, don't they find subscribe? People not subscribe for my YouTube. So the people now need that for truth, I don't need that for lie. If I need that for lie, I know what I go do. I go join them. Now my YouTube go full. I need that for truth. My papa say the truth shall set you free. Now so my papa take train me. Anybody wait there for truth side, it's something not the Adam. That's why you see say me at the jolly, they go. Waiting me, I can't tell una now the video not let me play. I for play the video for man and woman make una see am. But any man and woman wait there for outside, wait they be picking with the talk truth. That video we need to advertise that video. We go advertise them. We go advertise them. If una dey talk, I'm not dey talk. I see well. He say me they drop am. He say me they drop am. Wait till they want drop. Una go come tell us. Oh papa. Iyan mo we papa riya. Iyan mo riya. Oh egba ni wa wo we. Egba ni wa wo ta. Ozan wari ozan geru wa vijugwa wani wari ozan ge we wani wari ozan ge wota kan ajenu wa agba wa we agba wa wota wa share video no guy iyan wa no do we me e ma no ya gbe na we baba ni iyan riyan ni cause my me boy na ya be me bagbo I never see that kind of for since where they bomb me I never see that kind of since where they bomb me. So make una share the video, make it viral. Make una share and make it viral. Make una share and make it viral. God go bless you for money. Go bless you for everything. I never see am na evil country when I did so. Ebola when I could do so. If they call person for court, they not the fight for outside. Talk like say second kingdom in the world. People go they fight it for what? Oh, people go they fight it for outside you. People go they say they want drop person you. Even here when I did for Igbo country when I did so. For this one, I the third one, not be the third country for the worst pain. I never see say they carry people go court, they go they fight for outside you, but second kingdom in the world, they go they beat person for it. Hey, don't Rishi, why you do this one? Don't Rishi, why you can't do this one? Don't Rishi, what you buy so no good do. The market where you buy so don't Rishi no good do. This market it could pay you well. This market it could pay you well. Why you can't do like this? My brothers and my sisters, a very short video now I can't drop. I beg, make una not forget. As I just drop and so, now question me I can ask. Me never see this kind of thing before. Waiting me I see today now. That's why me call ask question. If they fed the big person for inside the house, may they let me know, may I for know. Because it be like all those people now, they say we will not call us ago. That's why they go to use our papa as they talk loud. They use our papa as they talk loud. So the question when me come ask, make una not verse. Oh, the question wey me come ask, all the thing wey me dey talk since, if I talk on well, I not talk on well, Mona forgive me. The question wey me come ask now, since I was born, I never see say that they fight for that ass once. The rich people now come see that they fight to one drink water, maybe my throat not go dry, one drink water. God will bless you now for morning. He go bless you now for evening. Anyway, na very short video now come drop. So if una see am, make una press the notification bell, make una press the like thing. Tomorrow morning, if I dey go work, I go do along the road. I go do the breakfast too. The breakfast. Because this video, wey me see so, you no let me play here now. I wan go ask, go cut am again. I say make the cut am come for me tomorrow. I come show una again. Where they call they beat somebody, una giko egbuko. Na no be today I know for Benin Parable, una giko egbuko. Una don't cause people, una don't cause them. Person with the 6 cents come, una still start to beat them. As una don't cause people, una go let the people with the cents come, una let them go, una still come they beat them. So una cause them una want drop it them for grand o. Una cause una want drop it them for grand o. The dropping, I want know the people wey say they want drop and so. Now I say when I come tell you and ask am o. Na very short video. I beg Mona not forget, Mona subscribe go Prophet Atiti Talk Show. Thank you. We see you tomorrow morning. Thank you. Bye.